Hi everyone, Marcus here from uTu, now with a quick perspective on artificial intelligence in context of the bot, and in this case we'll focus on, particularly on the code side, around applying this to BotKit, one of the frameworks for building a bot. The learning objectives in this quick session is to talk about the then this trees, some of the common things you'd expect the bot to be able to do, some of the other approaches to AI, and talk about kind of the iterative process of this. Again, the AI is one of the four parts of the bot anatomy, along with the natural language processing, the listening, and your overarching conversational UI. So to focus in on the AI component exactly, in the movie Good Will Hunting, they talk about the rise of language made for the aim of wooing women. In the context of this, it's about being a single-minded focus, trying to achieve a certain thing. In AI, what that thing is, what is the intent? What was a user really trying to accomplish? From that, we then would start to maybe map out some of the steps that could go through to kind of achieve that outcome. Here, a real simple process of kind of mapping out for a flow. If, let's say, you were building a bot to serve news, looking for when somebody asks you for the news, a multitude of ways that they could do that. Either you understood what they did and you're able to give them the news, or you didn't and you're able to kind of cycle them back through some type of reprompt. So this idea of kind of some logical flow would be kind of a style that we call an IFTY approach to kind of mapping out what the user's intent was. Bot with good manners, the bot that everybody wants to hang out with and get their pictures taken, that in addition to kind of the main flow, it would also be expected that your bot, if the person doesn't know what to do, they could ask for help, and when they want to end their engagement with your bot, that they could say goodbye. So again, whether that be in Alexa, Facebook Messenger, wherever it is, a mannered bot would be able to respond to the user appropriately for these things. So if we think about AI in terms of a maturity curve, from going back to Hello, Mr. Robinson, Warning, Will Robinson, with an IFTY approach, a very simple logic model that it can make binary decisions, to more recently maybe Rogue One, talking about it's able to take complex action and think on itself, all the way up to, and in that case we're talking about something that's more case-based or context-based reasoning, all the way up to machine learning, where it's literally starting to solve and optimize for itself. In this case, Data, back from Star Trek fame, where it starts to kind of achieve emotional type connection. But so again, IFTY to case-based up to machine learning is kind of a maturity curve around how kind of the AI can function. All right, so again, this was a quick perspective on artificial intelligence in context of a bot. To learn more and gain resources, come visit us at betterbots.utu.ai or come check out our platform directly at uTu.ai. Thanks.